All these are what you'll be seeing here. Today we are talking about okra. You are welcome. All over your face. It's going to do wonders, guys. I'm telling you, since I have been using it, I have never go wrong. Hello, my lovely and beautiful people. How are you all doing today? You are welcome to Divines TV. If today is the first time you'll be here, you are welcome. My old subscribers, you are welcome. My new subscribers, you are always welcome. You coming here today, you are blessed. You will never go back the same way you came because you are blessed. So, guys, without wasting much of your time, what are we talking about today? How to use okra face mask to glow, to look 10 years younger than your age, and to purify yourself, and how to drink okra water to okra juice. It's so good. It has vitamin C. It has a lot of protein and nutrients inside of it. Okay, it has a lot of antioxidants inside it. It's very good for your body, for your skin. So when you are drinking okra water, it wash away those toxins in your system. It's so good. When you have stomach ache, it's so good for you. When you have ulcer, it's good for you. When you have diabetes, it's good for you. When you have running stomach, is going to make it okay. This okra juice is so good for you, and the mask is going to do wonders on your face. It's going to remove away impurity. It's going to remove dullness. It's going to remove all those things that you don't want in your face. You are going to look 10 years younger. Yes, I am telling you. Let's go and do it. Let me show you the way I prepare it. Okay, you are welcome. You are welcome. Let me show you okra. If you don't know okra, this is okra, which I'm going to be showing you the bunch. Okra is so good. You see? Lovely. Let's go and learn. So this is the okra. You start by washing it, okay? Everything we do is good to wash before using it. You wash it thoroughly. I show you how to wash something with baking soda. So you wash with baking soda. We add water to the cup. This is warm water, hot water. It's not cold water. It's hot. It's not cold water. Take the hot one in the tap, okay? So that water there is hot water. So you slice the okra just little. It's slimy. You slice the okra, just slice it little, okay? After doing that, you take them and add them to the hot water in the cup. Remember, the water inside there is hot water. It's just water. There is nothing add to it, okay? So if you want to take anything that you're not sure about, ask your doctor. I want to add a little bit of water. So disclaimer, so ask your doctor before taking anything, but I know that this is good for you. So we are going to be waiting for 1 hour. 1 hour, okay? 1 hour before we drink this. So the next part is to take your blender. This is my smoothie blender. So I take it, you add the okra to it. When you add the okra to it, you just grind it, okay? If it's not grinding well, we are going to add a little bit of water to it, okay? So it's not smooth the way I like, so we are going to add water to it, okay? So you take a little bit of coconut oil. Remember this coconut oil that we make last time. If you have not watched it, go down below my video. I have posted the coconut oil So we're going to blend it. We have add water to it, so we blend it this way to be smooth. It will be smooth. Look at the other one is there waiting for us. We are going to be taking it for 1 hour. So now it's smooth. I take little out of it, keeping the rest for the next use. You can store it in the fridge for just a week. Okay, you can store it in the fridge for 5 days to 6 days or 7 days. So this is the 2 ways we made the okra today. You can use it for your hair. You can use it for your hair. You can blend it this way and use it for your hair. Add coconut oil to it. You use it for your hair. It's very good for hair growth, and it soft your hair. It make your hair shine. So this is the 2 big bomb. This is bomb. This is so. Guys, we are done. So I'm going to be taking my net, or you can use any one you want. I'm going to be putting my cap on my hair. Just to cover my hair, not to mess up my hair. So after that, we take the okra. You see the way it is. You just use it all over your face. You have to clean your face. You use it as a mask all over your face. It's going to do wonders, guys. I'm telling you, since I have been using it, I have never gone wrong with it. You just rub it this way. You have to take easy because you know it's like a slime, so just take it easy. So this way I rub it everywhere. I'm going to be leaving it 30 minutes. I will wash it off. Okay, so that is it, guys. That is it. So since it's in the, I'm waiting. So this is the juice. Remember, this is the juice. It's so good. You just put your straw, and it's good for you. It's so good for our health. Start taking this, start incorporating this into your system. Even when you are looking for the fruit of the womb, okra juice is also good for you. For your voice, it's good for you. And when you're having cough, it's good for you. It's good to soften your throat. It's so good. So you will not go wrong with it. You can still blend it and add it to your hair too. Wow, yummy. You see the way it is? So just slimy. You can boil it and drink it. It's good for people that have ulcer too. It's good to lose weight. You see? It's so slimy, but it's good for you. When you are taking this, you are not going to go wrong with it. It's going to repair everything. It's going to make your skin glow. I'm telling you guys, you see this, if you are rubbing this 2 times a week on your face, you will testify. You can leave it for 30 minutes to 25 minutes, depends on what you are doing. So I have to drink it so that you know that I know what I'm saying. Okay? Wow. There's no more liquid in there. I'm done with it. So guys, try it out. You are going to tell me thank you. So after 30 minutes, I'm going to be washing this away. So bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Remember, this is good for your health. This is a bomb. This is a package, a good package. Okay, bye-bye. Ciao.